Oh, we're on question 3. Okay, convert each of the following radical expressions into an expression with a single simplified rational exponent. All expressions are real numbers. So this is just like our last one. We want a single simplified rational exponent. So that means we want fraction exponents. Okay, so what we do is we have a fifth root of 2 to the power of x. And this 5, this index, becomes the bottom of our fraction. It's the denominator. But now we have 2 things underneath our radical. So it's 2 to the power of 1 and x to the power of 1. So we have 2 to the 1/5 and x to the 1/5. So you can leave your answer like that, or you can keep the 2x together in parentheses and 1/5 on the outside. Okay, so when you type that in, you would have the 2x in parentheses, but then when you do to the power, shift 6, I also have to put the 1/5 in parentheses. Okay, square root of 6y. So again, you got to remember all the invisible things, right? So outside of a square root, there's actually an index of 2. And then this is 6 to the first power, y to the first power. So it's 6 to the 1/2 and y to the 1/2. And we can rewrite that because they're the same. We can put the 6y together in parentheses and the 1/2 on the outside. So again, just make sure when you type that in Desmos, see how I have to put parentheses around the 6y and around the 1/2. So this one, I have a 3 times, that's what that means, a 9th root of 7z. And I'm going to do exactly what we've been doing. This is to the first power, to the first power, so I have 7 to the 1/9. The 9th becomes our denominator. Z to the 1/9. And when I combine those, so I'm going to put 7z in parentheses and 1/9 on the outside. Because those are the same, and that makes it a single exponent, like our instructions say, this 3 just stays on the outside. We're still timesing it. It doesn't change anything. It's not part of the radical at all. So it just stays on the outside. So it'll be 3, 7z to the power of, and see how I'm putting parentheses again, to the power of 1/9.